Hello, everyone. Here is the ebook that I wanted to show you guys. I wrote this book, and it's for people who do not know much about medical billing and coding. So that's why I named it Medical Billing and Coding Q&A. You can also find this book also on Amazon.com. Just type in my name, or you can type in Sapphire Physician Coding. So I'm just going to kind of click through it. I'm posting it so you guys can see it. If you'd like a hard copy, you can get it from Amazon.com, or you can download this book. I'm going to find a way where you can download it. So don't worry. You guys can also send me a message if you want the book downloaded to your computer, and I will send it to you. Okay, so let's begin. I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to kind of scroll through so you guys can pause when you want to read a page. I'm not even sure if we can post this on YouTube, but we're going to find out. If we can't post it, then they'll let me know that it's unable to be posted. And I'll try and just give you guys a link so you can get the book. Okay, let's go. This is just a little bit about me. You guys know cardiology and heart valves, blood flow. That's my favorite subject. When you see pages like this is where you're just jotting down notes. In the hard copy book, I put this in here just so students can write down notes or retain words that they just want to remember. My goal is to just give away this book. I'd like to give this book to everybody, especially people who want to know what billing and coding is about. A lot of the references that I have, I did try to do as many citations as possible, and I also listed the references in the reference section of the book. Again, I don't know if YouTube is going to allow us to post it, but we're going to try it. If they stop it, I'll figure out another way to try and get the book to you. These are great. I don't know if you guys are going to look at this on your phone. I know it's going to be kind of small, but these are wonderful. I want you guys to go ahead and put these on index cards because these are words that you're definitely going to need to retain when you are taking your certification. And again, Sapphire Physician Coding, we need all the support that we can get. I hope one day that I will be able to do this as a full course on YouTube. So, you guys subscribing, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you subscribing, and please continue to subscribe so that I can continue to bring you things like this. One day I will be able to do YouTube full time. I can't do it without your support, guys. And you can stop any page you want to read it. I'm just kind of scrolling through. In the classroom, I do go through a lot of what's in this book, pretty much on the board and in the Sapphire Teams portal. And again, if you guys want to join the Sapphire Teams portal, just let me know. We have a wonderful course for the billing and coding. Check out some of the videos and then we'll let you know. Or you guys can send me an email, lisa.lambert@sapphirecoding.com, or go on the website, www.sapphirecoding.com. I also put the Sapphire store on the website. You can check that out as well. I put some descriptions of jobs here just so you guys can get a description of what the billing and coding supervisors are looking for. I did do a couple of upgrades in the book. I might have missed something. So, I'll probably go over this book again this weekend. But I just wanted to kind of put something up here for you guys. And again, let me know if you need the hard copy. This is some of the notes that were sent to me by some of my students. This one is from Pro, and I think this one is from Latanya. Okay, so that is my ebook. There's no copyright here. The book belongs to me. We are letting YouTube know. Hopefully, they'll allow us to go ahead and distribute this ebook to you guys. Good luck in your medical billing and coding journey. I hope this book will be helpful to you. Please leave me a message. Let me know if this book is helpful to you. And by all means, you guys, please subscribe. I'll try and bring you more stuff like this. So let's hope they let us post this book. Don't forget, you guys, subscribe to my channel so we can bring you more of this. Thank you. Bye bye.